Not only during the day, but he flew for us last evening under cover of darkness in what he calls magic by moonlight. Give a little gift. Imagine the pilot takes off, and right after takeoff, he just rolls you around just because it's fun. One sponsor Stein Avionics, Lincoln Welders, Champion Aerospace, Acorn Welding, Goodyear, David Clark, and Skyhawk. Now, as Matt brings it right down over the tree level, he'll bring the nose up on the big airplane. And we're going to get the maestro. And listen, music, maestro, read. Sporting on his airplane are the Younkin family colors. All of them, all of the airplanes black scallop Art Deco paint job. He is flying with the spirit of his father, the late Bobby Younkin, on each and every with the wingtip right off over the and it is one of the youngest airshow performers on the circuit. As he is upside down, he extends the landing gear. It goes up, but that's okay because he was upside down. Now he's right side up and the gear goes down and it is locked. Now, I taught you about gear. Boom and beam lighting and Whalen aviation lighting. It was a very people in our chalets for supporting this show in a big way. Thank you to Allied Engineering and Testing Incorporated. Thank you to Ferro Gas. Thank you to Gulf Coast Biofuels, to Nice Ice Company, to ROI Media. Thank you to Wells Fargo Advisors. Oh, big thank you to Bucky and Paul McQueen, one of the first guys I see when I come into town is Bucky McQueen. He is a cool guy. He and Paul are just great supporters of this show. Thank you to the CF Industries. Thank you to Century Lake. A salute to Charlotte Regional Medical Center. Thank you to Janango Supplies. There is Matt. Would you give Matt a big wave, if you will? If you've got a hat, you can take it off. He's opened the window for a little bit cooling air. He cannot hear your applause, but he loves the animation of the waves and the hats and the programs. Thank you too to Designs Wine and Gift Emporium. Thank you to Ezzy Insurance Agency, the Florida Gulf Coast University. Thank you and salute to Fort Myers Broadcasting at 96.9 WINK-FM. Thank you to Heartland Broadcasting at 106.9 The Bull. And man, doing a little NASCAR burnout, smoking if you got it. Little magic act, disappearing behind the smoke and reappearing. And visible once again. Thank you to our friends at Church Rental Car. Thank you to Jack Dahlberg, to Medicine Shop, Punta Gorda. Thank you to the Mosaic Company. And thank you to MyFloridaHomesMSL.com, Punta Gorda, Charlotte, North. Court Board of Realtors, Physicians Primary Care, Punta Gorda, Rezo, Rufus C. Lazelle. Thank you to Parrot Entertainment Magazine. Thank you to Tobacco Free Florida. Salute to Thomas D. Butler Jr., Trudeau Warburg Enterprises, and William F. McDonald Plumbing Incorporated. We'll tell you more about these people. They, along with our great volunteers, hundreds, a whole army of volunteers, make this show possible for you to get into at Family Crisis.